In this video, I'm going to show you how to switch accounts in YouTube on Google TV, whether you're logging out of your profile or switching to a family member's account to watch their recommendations and playlists. It's a quick and easy process once you know where to go. First, open the YouTube app on your Google TV. If you're already inside the app, use the remote to scroll all the way to the left to open the side menu. Inside the menu, you'll see the profile icon at the top. Click on that. From there, you'll get a list of all the accounts currently signed into YouTube on that device. If the account you want is already listed, just select it and you'll be switched over in seconds. If not, click Add Account, then follow the steps to sign in with a new Google account. You can also choose to sign out from any account directly from that same menu if you want to log out completely. Keep in mind, switching accounts here doesn't affect other apps like Netflix or Disney+. Those are separate. But for YouTube, this is the easiest way to jump between profiles without restarting or resetting your TV. Thanks for watching. If this helped you switch YouTube accounts on your Google TV, drop a comment below and let me know how many accounts you have saved on your TV. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple, smart TV tips. See you next time.